Hi, I'm Sheena Strader with L2L Support, and welcome to this tips and tricks video on creating a schedule. Did you know you can create schedules for many different events, such as audits, scheduled maintenance, and inspections, to name a few? The first thing you will need to do is log into your L2L user account and be sure you have scheduler permissions. Now let's get started. First, you will want to go to the scheduler and select All Schedules. From here, select Add New. Please note, prior to creating a schedule, you will need to have dispatch types and trades set up. For purposes of this video, let's say you do. Now that we are in the scheduler detail screen, you will need to complete the required fields, such as a schedule name, a dispatch type, and a trade. If you have scheduler categories created, you could choose one here. Next, we'll take a look at the schedule type choices. You have the option of a one-time event, a fixed interval. This keeps the same frequency regardless of when last completed. For example, a monthly PM due the 20th of the month will be due every month on the 20th regardless of the last time completed. Lastly, you have the floating interval. This frequency will float based on the last time completed. For example, a monthly PM is completed 5 days after the due date, say the 20th of the month. The PM will launch the next month 5 days after the previous month, or the 25th of the month. This can reduce waste of activities being done too frequently. For purposes of this video, I'm going to select a fixed interval. Next, you will have to select your interval type. You can choose days, hours, cycles, calendar daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. I'm going to select calendar monthly. Next, you will see occurrence type. I'm going to select monthly. And I'm going to keep the day of the month. Please note, you may see a launched and closed by the system past due in a dispatch history report or a scheduled summary report. This is because the current schedule is open, not completed, past due, and the next due date has been passed. These are what we call skipped or missed schedules. Also, you will see the schedule documents. If you have a document or checklist you would like to be associated with the schedule, you would add or remove it here. Next, we'll take a look at occurrence type settings. You can set an estimated number of hours to complete the schedule here. Then you have your launch prior. This allows you to select how long before the next due date to launch the next schedule, i.e., use dates and schedule, days, hours, or cycles. I am going to select use the dates and schedule. If you are going to do this schedule for tooling, you would need to select this box here. In this video, I'm going to select Add Machines. Select your machine or machines. Then you will select your launch, scheduled, and due dates. I'm going to select launch on the 1st, scheduled on the 1st, and I will have this due 28 days after. Since I have selected Use Dates and Schedule, this is where I set the dates for the following schedule. Now be sure you hit Save. Also to note, after saving, if you have a designated resource for a specific schedule, you can click the Edit button and assign that resource for when the schedule launches. Congratulations, you have created your first schedule. Thank you for watching, and if you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to L2L Support.